All right, y'all. Time to do a little test on a new welder. It's not brand new, but it's new to me. I've never owned a welder this nice. Only 211. All right, y'all. How'd I do?